Alright, I'm Jordan.
I'm Amanda.
And we just heard a noise downstairs, so we're gonna go check it out. I think he was in this room. There's like nothing that makes noise over here. Was it the monkey? Oh god! Oh my gosh! Did you just see that, people? Alright, what we're gonna do now? I think we should go check it out again. Alright, let's go see if it's still there. Oh man. If that thing's not there, I'm gonna pee my pants. I'm scared to go down there now. It's still down there? Oh my god, it's not there. Oh my god, where'd it go? Oh my god, where'd it go? Oh my god. 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 That's freaky. Okay, we're just gonna leave now. Bye, Mr. Monkey. Okay, that was freaky.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. Okay, bye.